Today's lesson is over the verb gustar. Okay, so when talking about likes and dislikes, the Spanish speakers use the verb gustar. However, gustar literally translates to be pleasing, okay? But in English, what we do is we say like. Okay, so therefore there are only two forms of the verb gustar, which are gusta and gustan. You also must use a pronoun with gustar, okay? So let's take a look at how gustar is formed. Gustar is formed by taking a pronoun, and our pronouns are me, te, le, nos, os, les. Okay, we're going to take that pronoun, and then we're going to add either gusta, which is going to be followed by an infinitive or a singular noun. And remember, infinitives are unconjugated verbs. Okay, singular nouns are just one thing. Okay, or we're going to use gustan, which is followed by a plural noun. All right, so let's take a closer look at these pronouns. Okay, so if you see a mí, you're going to use me. Okay, it will never be yo. It's always a mí me. If you see a ti, it will be a ti te. A él, a ella, a usted, or a, and then a person's name is le. Okay? So it's a él, a ella, le, etc. If you see a nosotros, a nosotras, a person's name, and then a mí, you're going to use nos. Okay? If you see a vosotros, a vosotras, a person's name, and then a ti, you're going to use os. If you see a ellos, a ellas, a ustedes, and then a and some names, you're going to use les. So these a, me, a, ti, etc., those are used to identify or emphasize who you're talking about. Okay? All right, when reading, you're actually going to read the sentence from the back if you want to translate it literally. Remember, this verb means to be pleasing, okay, not to like. Okay, so if I take a look at this sentence, me gusta hablar por teléfono. What I'm going to do is read it from back to front. So, to talk on the phone is pleasing to me. In English, what we would say is, I like to talk on the phone. Okay, but in Spanish, this is what they do. Okay? Or, te gusta el carro? Okay? If I'm going to translate it literally, I'm going to start with the el carro first. So the car is pleasing to you. In English, we would say, you like the car. Okay? Or, if we have te gustan los carros, right? We're going to start with los carros first. So the cars are pleasing to you. Notice that the cars is plural and gusta changes to gustan when that noun becomes plural. So in English, what we would say though is you like the cars. To make a sentence negative with gustar, you have to put a no in front of the verb. However, since the pronouns are part of the verb, they cannot be separated. So, if I wanted to say, I don't want to go to the movie theater, look what I have done here. So I put the no in front of me. So, no me gusta ir al cine. I don't like to go to the movie theater.